Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin on Trust Wallet. So let's get started right away. If you already have your Trust Wallet account set up, then just go ahead and open up the application. You will then be asked to log in using your PIN code or your biometric. You can log in using either of these options and then you will be taken into your dashboard. From this home page, you can simply tap on the buy option. Now from the buy option, just scroll down and you will find Dogecoin. Just tap on it and you will be taken to the buy screen. From the buy screen, you can select your currency by tapping on the USD at the top right corner and then type in how much you want to spend. You will then be shown how much crypto you will receive in return. Now, since the best exchange is already selected by default, we can tap on the next button and proceed with buying the crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Dogecoin on Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.